Alright guys, this video is about the DEERC D10 little beginner's drone, and I tell you what, this little thing is fun to fly, and I fly drones all the time, review drones. So in the description below you'll find the links to the best prices that I found in the internet. So alright, let's get to the video. Let's rock and roll and show you how this little sucker flies. So if we look at the lights underneath, now they're solid. You see the solid lights underneath. So now we're paired. So now we just have to calibrate it. And according to the instructions, there it is. And we're going to do the auto takeoff. And a simple takeoff. All we're doing is pushing this button. You ready? And the wing's going to take it away if you don't pilot it. Yeah, and that's my phone. Apologies for that. Am I going to hit you, Robbie? No, it's going to hit a tree. Yeah. It seems to be an easy flyer. Let me spin it around, bring it straight at us. Sorry about that. That was a crash. Here we go. Let's go at it again. You ready? So after crash, you got to pair it again. Yeah. So if you crash, guys, you're gonna have to push it left stick forward and then back down, and then recalibrate it by pushing the sticks down to both 6 o'clock. All right, take off again. Here we go, Robbie. Get ready to jump. There it is. And controls are real soft, guys. I mean soft. I'm pulling all the way back. I'm going to change speed. So it seems to be flying better now. I changed to the second speed. And there it goes. Ay, ay. Spin it. Not bad, not bad. Real soft in the controls though. I mean soft. But this could definitely it could be a flyaway if you don't keep it under control. Because the wind's going to push it. Bringing it back down.
Kind of high, you can get with it over here.
Yeah. You ready? Wow, not bad. Now we'll point this up. Switching speed, fastest speed possible. Oh yeah, the nose pointed way down on that one. You see it? So yeah, it's standing on his nose a lot more now. Ooh, come on back here, buddy. I just put it on the sidewalk, Robbie. Okay, so I had a second crash here. Not bad, just got it between the trees here. So be careful with this guy. But sure is fun. You want to fly? No? Alright, so let's see if... Okay, so you have to go through the same sequence of bang, bang, and then you see that? And then I think I could just... Nope, I have to do auto takeoff. Here we go. Alright, switching speeds. And I got it at the fastest speed. I'm not doing anything at all. It's got the optical full camera, but the wind's going to still push it around. It's got these two cool LEDs, Robbie. You see those? Yeah. Come on. Go right over your head. My apologies. All right, third crash, guys. Third crash. Trying to fly like an FPV drone is not good, but it's pretty fun. It seems to be durable enough to handle all this. Once again, okay, is ready? You better be on the sticks right at takeoff, guys, because this little booger here, it drifts. And lateral movements is not that easy to control on this guy. But you see that? It just kind of... All right, I don't get it under these trees. We'll keep it out here in the field. It's gonna go away. I'll never get it back. Robbie wants me to show some distance. Wow. And the wind really takes a toll on it, you know. It's 100 meters. Oh, it could fly about 100 meters away. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and venture out a little bit, and then I'm gonna bring it back. You ready? 2, 3, and we'll do the range test kind of over the street, so it won't go in the water and into the tree.
We know where to find it now. Just a footnote, you'll never see him fly one of his $1,000 and up drones like he flies this.
Okay, so that's my 4th crash with this little guy. I'll tell you, this thing is fun, but stuck in a tree somewhere. Robbie, I see it. You see that?
Where? I can get it here. Hold this.
Oh, you can get it with your camera. Watch this. Watch this. Keep filming. Watch.
Okay.
You can get it now.
Reach it. I'm gonna cut my finger off.
No, I'm not gonna touch anything.
Yay!
Yay! Thank you, Robbie. All right, we can do the range test, but let's go ahead and put a new battery in it.
Okay, cool.
Because I've run it pretty hard so far, and I don't know. Yeah, so far it's been pretty cool. Pull the battery out. Yeah. Thanks, man, for getting that. All right, so objective of battery number 2 is going to be to see if we can get it halfway down that hill, right down here, and then bring it back. I just don't want to have it drop into that swampy area because it's not good for the drone. So here we go. Yeah, everything's blinking. Okay.
There you go. It's paired now.
Okay, I'm paired up. So I just had to reset my controller by turning it off. All right, so take off. Changes speeds. I can't tell what speed I'm in, but I want to be on the fastest speed. There it is. I heard it that time. Yeah, okay. So right now it's flying all in zone, guys. I'm going to gain a little bit of altitude, not much. And there it goes. Lowering it. I hear in a couple beeps.
You better bring it back.
So I'm thinking that it's cruising back pretty well. So I heard a couple beeps there. All right, let's do another run. Dropping altitude, turning it, bringing it back. Increase speed. It really stands on his nose and drops altitude. Be careful. Not a bad freaking little flyer if you were used to it.
I can hear the voltage when it's straining here.
Dropping altitude fast. Gotta have to get off the throttle. It's got a bad bearing maybe? Yeah, it's the bearing or a gear. That bird just went after it.
Right. I think it's flipping the motor.
Yeah, it's geared motors, you know.
Yeah.
You know, how far can you get it down there? Oh wow!
Come back, kick the bird.
Let go of the stick, and it just drifts.
Yeah.
Is it going to land on its own? It almost hit me. So be light on your feet, guys, while you're flying this thing, because it'll just keep drifting. It's got the optical flow camera, and we're hearing a little bit of a tick right now. You're hearing it, right? You had some kind of tick? Bring it closer. Just switch gears on it. Come on back here. It's not doing it now.
No.
Oh my gosh. I gave it all left throttle and it won't move. You see? Right. We're going to give it some altitude, put it out here in the middle, and flip. Ooh, that was cool. Did you guys see that? It may be too far away. We'll bring it closer this time. Increase in altitude. Flip. Oh, between the trees. Flip. Ah. Flip. All right, here we go. Wow, I wish I could do flips like that. Was that smooth or what? Wow, pretty good, man. Pretty freaking good.
One more time.
One more time. All right, right at us this time. I'll bring it closer to us. Come on.
Go for it.
Ah. You ready?
Yeah, do it.
Flip. All right, one last flip. Well, that was pretty fun. I wish I could do it myself. Flip.
Cool.
All right, pretty cool. So, what I've noticed is it's really tough to do lateral flights on it. Like I have a lateral flighting it, and it won't slide laterally like I would expect it, you know. Forward it slides well, like full lateral right here. Full lateral. We got blinking lights. I think we're out of batteries. Time to land it. Thanks, man. Definitely a beginner's drone right here. If you just want to play and get used to flying, this is an outdoor drone, not an indoor drone. You take it outside and you have fun. You got 2 batteries. You can crash it lightly and keep on rocking. I crashed it, what, 5 times?
Yeah, it's still good.
And it's still good. Okay, I got links for the best prices in the description below. So